Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome back to my channel. This is going to be an installation video, and installation video is going to be on macOS. The reason I'm making this video because this is the newer version of macOS, so I just want to show the compatibility that it does work. All of your GNU Radio software and your GQRX works on your macOS Tahoe. So for example, in this demo, I'm using M1 MAX 2021 16-inch laptop that is actually running macOS Tahoe. Will I be able to run GNU Radio Companion smoothly on this version? Let's look at it. The best place that I have found where you can download GNU Radio and make sure it works, and it's probably the easiest way to actually install this, is just go to your Google and type in Radio Conda. This is the first website that will come in. Under this, go to download, and under releases, just simply go there. Whatever the first release is, that is going to be compatible with macOS Tahoe. So this release is actually 3/14/2025, which is released on Pi Day. Under releases, since we're using Apple Silicon, which is an ARM-based processor, the installer that works for me is actually this one, Radio Conda 2025 macOS ARM 64 package. Once you download this, just click on it and download this. I have already downloaded this, so this is in my download folder right here, and just double click it and run it. That's all you need to do. That's all you need to do. You don't have to do anything else. Just click next, and it will install GNU Radio for you. When you are installing GNU Radio, everything comes pre-compiled using Radio Conda, and also it comes with another tool which is known as GQRX. GQRX is basically a spectrum analyzer that allows your software-defined radio platform, any of these software platforms, to give you a visualization using a spectrum-based and waterfall-based monitor. So once you have everything installed, go to your terminal, and let me just clear this. I was actually checking this earlier. Just clear this, and simply type in GNU Radio Companion, and if everything is I don't think you will have any problem with that. This is how this interface looks like for your GNU Radio. All the blocks are there, or the core blocks are there. You will also find outer tree modules as well. So everything that you need, they're all here. So these are all the blocks that you will find. Everything that you need, they're all there. Just simply drag and drop. So for example, if I were to do a quick demo, Command F, let's look for a signal source. Let's get a throttle block. Let's get a, let's say I want to get a frequency sync, or I just want to get a GUI sync. So the GUI sync comes with everything. So just convert that for you. So this is going to be a GUI sync, throttle block, just to see if everything is working perfectly fine. Press. Let's save this on my desktop. I've already made test 1. See, perfect. So this is my sinusoidal signal. This is the waterfall graph. Frequency graph. This is the waterfall graph. This is my time domain. This is my constellation block. So it works perfectly fine. The other tool that I want to explore is actually GQRX. So open up your terminal, open up a new window, and simply type in GQRX. Here we go. So this is what you would expect to see at 935 megahertz. Let me turn off the demodulation. Let me go into somewhere around FM band, so somewhere around 9. Here we go. You can turn off the gain. This is probably the perfect gain. So this is basically the demo. I hope you liked the small video on this installation on macOS Tahoe. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section. And please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.